Right guys, just having a walk up past Uncle Ped'S now. Gonna have a look if country ribs and black pearls open. Yeah, it's absolutely packed here. We've got the sun today, so that's what happens. I think country ribs is back open. It'll probably be tonight when no, they are open. We'll have to give that a go one night. Zoom it up a little bit. God, make me hungry already. Black pearl next door. I'm not going to get my foot run over here. There we go. Just having delivery, I think. Yeah, I got the supermarket on the corner. And where we are now is just off Curry Street, Curry Corner. Curry Corner, that's better, isn't it? Yeah. I can't see too much on the camera here, guys. Am I there, Marcus? I think so.
Yeah, Johnson Park.
There we are. Got the curry house there. That's just expanded now. Over the bar that used to be here. From the Scissors, I think it was called. Do you remember, Marcus? What the bar was called here?
Decorated house, something.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's just expanded out now. So we'll have a curry and sit out in the sun. I don't think that's going to work, actually, because they're not open, are they? No, they're open at night, guys. Yeah, we'll just come down here to, what are you telling me, it's one of the best curry houses? So we'll be bouncing about a bit here. With the sun I can't see too much. Yeah, the clay oven, Indian restaurant. Yeah, it's one of the best, you're telling me. A bit of Elvis there, I think. And as you can just see there, I'm not going to get the other side because I'm right in front of it. Tandoori house.
coming.
Yeah, it all smells really good, this one. So yeah, that's Conrner for you. Get across the road again. On the corner there you've got oh, just looking at what's going on behind me there. There's some noises. Yeah, the nightclub what was called? This called Talk of the Town. It's called the Town.
I think it is called Talk of the Town.
Yeah, we think it is called Talk of the Town. Where's talk there, Marcus? It just says welcome
On the
town.
door.
Okay, Talk
No,
of the Town then.
stopped. Can I put me your seat back on quickly, like?
I'm still filming, like. Getting cold. Let's get out in the sun. Yeah, I got various shows on there. It's one place we've always wanted to get in. We haven't up to now. Do a Beatles show in there. Elvis, Drifters, Tom Jones, Ped'S, stuff like that. Marcus has fond memories of up here.
Oh, God, no.
Yeah, when we were filming, we're trying to do a film on just outside here, and yeah, we had loads of problems. People getting in the way. We had one old guy decided he wasn't going to get out of the way of the filming, because in Spain they don't cordon it all off, they just do the film. Then we had Karate Obo, one of the homeless ladies.
Yeah.
They come up and started doing the karate moves and chased half the film crew off. Really funny. Obviously we weren't going to step in and help because yeah, we were laughing too much, to be honest. So yeah, the steakhouse over there. All these are open later.
I think Sunday. I think
Yeah. He's coming out and having a look round. I think most of the bars that are going to open are open now. We're getting into season now, so it's the early part of the season, obviously, but anyway, where are we going on this? We're on the Conrner, aren't we? Yeah. Yeah, I think we're going to leave this one here, and I'm going to start the next one up pretty close. Before we get all that music on there. Yeah, okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the videos we're doing. If you want to see more from Benidorm, watch the one that's coming up on the card, and we'll see you later guys. Bye.